Welcome back to Stiltner's Garage. I'm Jay.
And I'm Josh.
I know we haven't been posting in a while because we needed a little break. And we were waiting on a minivan.
This is the channel project.
It's a 2004 Tiger truck.
Tiger Star, Tiger truck. It's part of the Shagging, I'm probably butchering the name, family out of China. Suzuki carry this thing. We don't know. We know it runs, it drives, the AC works okay. It's a 5-speed, 4-cylinder manual transmission.
So, once we got it, there's an AC ball right there. It didn't work, and the radio didn't work. My dad, so Josh, he got the AC working in the back. It feels really good. And
when it works.
Yes.
When it works.
I mean, at a certain RPM, it'll stop.
So we're still trying to figure it out.
And so the radio that came with it didn't work. So
nope.
When my dad, he got a new speaker in the S2000, a Bluetooth one. So he put the Sony one from the S2000 in here. Yep.
So the backstory on this thing is we got it from a government auction. I've always wanted the K trucks. I've always wanted the Honda or whichever one that I could get my hands on. But let's face it, this day and age, people are proud of those now. So when I saw this one come up for the auction block, we bidded on it. I was supposed to pick it up in May. Well, we're now in July. So, and I just now got it given to me about a week ago. So I've been driving it for a week. I've been trying to figure it out. I honestly like driving it every day. It's pretty good, cheap on fuel considered my truck.
Drives.
So the real purpose of getting this was for the channel, helping grow this channel, but the real reason behind it was teaching him how to drive a stick.
I stalled it a couple times.
Well, it happens, buddy. You see how long I've drove a stick and how many times did I stall something? It still happens. So all it takes is that one person get behind you at the red light or whatever, and you can stall it. It's one of those things. So he actually picked up on it pretty good. He's got to get a little bit taller, or I'm going to have to screw some wood to the pedals so that way he can actually reach the pedals to help it out on him. And then we'll learn how to do a hill with him.
Because there was a board to make it forward. It don't work.
So the thing is with it, when we got it, we were fortunate enough we got one that ran and drove because it was practically, you bought it off a picture. You didn't know which one ran, which one drove, what was wrong with it. So I will post some pictures of what all we were planning on to do with this. It's going to involve a lot of work from me and him both.
So me and him both are going to be learning how to do stuff to it. So I'll be learning how to sand. He'll be learning how to do stuff on the interior.
So I'll be putting some pictures in this video. We might do a walk around here in a minute. It needs a lot. So, this is one of those things, if y'all can help us out identify some stuff like parts,
please.
It's been a journey. It really has, considering Tiger Star was the company, or Tiger Truck LLC. They dissolved in 2009. They're no more. So getting parts for it, it's going to be a fun time. The interior is what you would see out of a government vehicle that's set out on site for ages. Hence the paint. The best shot of this vehicle right now is the rear end of it because that's the only thing with paint left on it.
And it's kind of rusting on the top of it.
It's there.
It's there.
So, funny story behind this, I had a truck back in high school. Its name was Rusty, 75 Scottsdale C20, rust bucket. Holes in the floorboard. If you leaned on the door, it popped open. This is the miniature version, just in a minivan form.
And the seats are all whipped up.
The seats are shot. The dash is shot. So, the future of this, what do we want to do out of it? It's going to go gray. And when I say gray, it's probably going to go Massey Ferguson gray. Why? I think it's a good looking color. It might be a shade lighter or darker. Don't know yet. I'm feeling some bronze wheels on it. Trying to find these. I'd like to get brand new headlights on it. The headlights I have sourced. The fog lights, however, that's the story behind it. The driver's side headlight somehow has taken on water, so it's lost the reflective film in it. So I think right now, before I source all that and say we get all the paint and everything done, I'm going to tint those black for now, same with the taillights. The fog lights is the one that's got me tore up because I don't want to go cutting on a bumper that I can't just get a hold of. So with that being said, if anyone's got any ideas where to source them or what we can do with them, this is where the comment section needs to come in for us. I know all the lights around it works. The gauge cluster, all the gauges work, considering the mile an hour gauge only goes to 30.
It goes 55.
It's screaming, that's all she's got. I put a tack in it so that way it can help him see what RPM
when
he needs to shift at. Right. Because he's not old enough to learn when to shift by ear. So that's in there. Other than that, I guess the best thing for me to do is just do a 360 with y'all and really let y'all see the beauty of it.
And I do have a question.
Yeah, buddy.
Are we gonna do underglows on it?
I'm going to do underglows, but I'm throwing this thing in the ricer air. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. If I could source a body kit for it, you better believe I'd put body kit on it. If it gets down to it, it gets done where I want to do it. I want to do black interior in it. It's got tan. Oh no, it's a mix of tan, brown, gray.
You don't know what to call it.
Black, foam, ripped up seats, the floorboard shot. So I mean, it's work. But this is a project that you don't see much online besides the big channels. The big channels get a hold of them. They got a lot of money backing them. They can do a lot at once. This is going to be a video that's going to be spread out for a while because the goal is gray, bronze wheels. I want to put it on air ride to slam it to the ground. When it comes to the inside, because the kids love riding in this thing. The kids to the dog. I'm going to have to learn how to upholster seats. I want to wrap the dash, not in true Alcantara, but
fake Alcantara.
Falcantara. We're going to call it Falcantara, the fake stuff. So door cards, I want to upgrade the sound system in it because right now it's got factory, I think, 4-inch speakers, and they're junk. And it's only got 2, so I like
no bass.
No bass whatsoever. So I really like to upgrade the sound system. The roof's going to go black. I like to do a headliner, a starry light headliner. I can't do it because the air unit that is built into the roof of this thing is so brittle. As soon as I go to try to take it apart, it's going to shatter. I can't source parts for that, so I'm going to probably just spray it as is and spray the roof black as is. Leave it be. We're going to keep the rear bench. The front bench is only a 2-seater, but we're missing the middle back. Thanks to the government auction, because when I first went to look at this after we bought it, it still had the back here. It was broken. I was just going to weld it and call it done. It's disappeared on a secure site. So secure, right? So, as funny as this sounds, for the floorboard, I want to do shag carpet. Black shag carpet. Black seats, black carpet, black interior. I'm a black interior fan. So without further ado, we are going to take you for a little walk around on the tripod.
I have a question for y'all.
Go for it.
Where do y'all think the engine is on this thing? Put it in the comments because we'll show y'all when we're doing the 360.
So I'm not going to clip or edit this, so y'all are just going to have to go along for the ride with this.
I'm going to open the driver's side door.
All right, buddy. So
the back door's open like a wheel minivan, though.
Yep. So you can see, still has some government writing on how to be a safe driver. So there's the head unit we put in. It's an old school Sony with a 30-pin connector for an iPod.
Look.
Yep, he is, that shows the age gap there. He is so tickled to death that you can remove the faceplate on the CD player.
Can I do it?
Yeah, he didn't know that was a thing. You just push over to this side and it should pop out. Fun story, when I installed that in the S2000, that shows you how long I've owned the car. That was top of the line. So it's just got a little cheap tack in there. There's a gauge cluster on it.
Look at the gauge. A 30.
That's all we got. I don't have to be 3D printing some parts for it because that's completely gone.
Show them this.
This is also going to need 3D printed, or I might just wrap that in fiberglass because it's so brittle. It's just breaking from the sun fading and everything else. Okay, buddy. And here we go on the floor. Beautiful.
Yeah, very.
Seats are ripping. Of course, it's got a car seat in it. And then this is the one that is, I had a back piece for it and it has went MIA. So, But I'm planning on, when it comes to these back here, a 6x9 on each side.
Come
The doors, I'm debating on doing 6x9s in the doors. I'll have to put the little things right there to get connections when you close.
Let me show them how small the truck. Come look at it from the back. I mean,
This is the back.
It looks better. Yeah, the top.
Go ahead and do the roof. Let y'all see what kind of rust we're dealing with here.
Come look at how much space we have in the trunk. It's not that much.
So like I said, I've already polished this one out the best I could. And then we can already tell that's toast. This one, you can see the water line in it. And then you can see the reflective fumes struggling on it. That fog light's not so bad. Come around to the driver's side.
There is a hole.
Oop, sorry, my tripod's long.
There's a
hole in the floor. We're going to fix that. The seat's not comfortable. And for what he was asking earlier, let's see if we can figure out this latching system. All right, now that lever right here, Jace, you got to flip this lever. You got to watch out for that seat because it'll come up. Pull it up.
Fudge.
Just pull it up. Why it's sitting like that? So that way you got to work. There you go. Now it should flip back. And there is our 4-cylinder.
There's the battery.
So the fun fact about this is if it decides it wants to launch a piston, it's going right up my rear. But this is it. This is her in all of her glory. And if I ever forget what my PSI is on the tires, what looks like this, it's going to let me know. Like I said, the best shot on it is the back. It's got the less rust. It's got the most paint. So the woman's probably just clipped from the back to the front. We got a phone call, and I had to take that. It was the wife. Got to go grocery shopping. And we're going to be pimping this.
We show them what's...
We can show them under the hood or front, whatever this is.
What you can fit in there is probably a phone and a wallet.
If you're lucky.
Is there a button?
No, you got to go over here to the latch. If we can, there it is. And then we got to lift it up.
So there's windshield, whatever that.
We got the windshield fluid. We got the coolant. We got the brake reservoir. And then the Ooga horn.
Damn. Where's the original one?
It's in there. So the good thing about this coming from a government auction, it might look rough. But with that being said, mechanical wise, it's solid. Fresh oil, fuel filter, air filter, all the fluids are topped off and everything works. What I mean by everything works, the back AC unit didn't work. The front did. I fixed the back AC. How? I don't know. I was just in there with a power probe, poking around until I found something that worked. I made it happen.
And there's one light in there in the back.
It's done. Yeah, it's going to need to do dome lights and stuff like that.
The switch, I touched it, it collapsed.
It's dry rotted. But with that being said, mechanically sound. When it comes to the fluids, the washers, the windshield wipers, turn signals, brake lights, headlights. The only light that's out on this thing is this fog light right here. The reason it's out is because you got to take the front bumper off to change the bulb.
Oh my!
So, with that being said, we've got work to do to it. I've done some little stuff around the house just because I'm driving it on a daily. There's going to be things I do to it that I won't record just because whenever I get time, I'll go to it. Y'all have missed a lot of projects that I've done already just because timelines. The box truck, I'll have to do y'all a video on that one showing you what I've done to it. It is now a mobile DJ booth. The whole side of it opens up, and I'll throw a picture in there. It's now my mobile DJ booth.
But the box is kind of...
The suspension's sagging, so it needs some suspension work done to it. We knew that when I bought the truck. The springs were shot on that side anyways. The tractor, I've already worked on the tractor. I did axle seals on it, replaced a hard hydraulic line on it, painted it. I did all that. Timeline. I started on the project, and next you know, it's mowing season. It happens. So there's going to be projects that slide through the cracks. This one I feel like is going to be a good one for the channel. This is one that me and him both can learn a lot on. I'm not no painter by no means. I can spray can pretty good. I can rattle can pretty good. I've got a spray gun back here somewhere. I might do single stage just because it's simple. This isn't going to be a showpiece when it gets done, but it's going to look 10 times better when it's done.
Exactly.
I wanted to wrap it just because I didn't feel like painting it, but come to find out, for wrapping, you got to paint it. It's got to have a solid surface. It makes sense. So if I'm going to paint it, might as well paint it the color I want. So with that being said, Stiltner's Garage.
Signing out.
From bolts to burnouts. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment. We need comments on this. We need y'all to watch this whole video.
We need help on that thing.
We do. We said we're gone, but we're still here for a second. We're at, what was it, 600 subscribers?
Yeah. We need 400 in
2 months.
And then he's gone bald.
I was hoping he forgot that.
Shaving the beard.
The beard comes if we get monetized. Not 1,000. I'll shave the head again at 1,000. If we get monetized, the beard will go.
Okay, but if we...
Y'all hearing this, right? So y'all know what to do.
If we...
You want to see babyface double chin dad? Well, you know what to do.
If we hit 2,000, once we hit 2,000, I'm going bald.
You heard it from him. Mama's going to be mad.
I don't care. It's my
Stiltner,
hair.
from bolts to burnouts, Stiltner's Garage.
Signing out.
Signing out.